You are going to be rich. No, I am not asking you. I am telling you. Do you know why? Because your brain will have no other choice. Today I will show you the scientific method used by the top 1% earning over $500,000 a year. They use their thoughts to physically rewire their brains. It sounds like magic, but it is pure neuroscience. If you give me the next 10 minutes, I will hand you the blueprint to hack your reality. Welcome to the Abundance Manor. Before we start, realize this. You possess a power you don't even understand. Every second, 3 million cells in your body die, and 3 million new ones are born. 100,000 chemical reactions happen in a single cell every moment. You don't control this consciously. If you had to think about it, you'd be dead in seconds. A greater intelligence within you does it. Today, we are going to tap into that intelligence. Let me tell you the story of Dr. Joe Dispenza. In his 20s, he was struck by an SUV during a triathlon. His spine was shattered. Multiple vertebrae were crushed like gravel. Top surgeons told him, "You need metal rods in your spine immediately, or you will never walk again." He refused. He believed in the power of his mind. He went home, lay in bed, and for weeks he did only one thing. He closed his eyes and mentally reconstructed his spine, vertebra by vertebra. He visualized the bones fusing, the nerves healing. If his mind wandered to fear, he started over. He did this for hours, every single day. 10 weeks later, he walked back into his office. No surgery, no pain. He healed himself with thought alone. You might think, that's a miracle. But look at this Harvard study. Scientists divided people into 4 groups to learn the piano. Group 1 practiced physically for 2 hours a day. Brain scans showed massive growth in their motor cortex. Group 2 played whatever they wanted, with no discipline. Their brains showed zero change. Remember Group 2. Living without intention gets you nowhere. But Group 3, they never touched the piano. They sat in a room and mentally practiced playing the scales for 2 hours a day. The result? The brain scans of the mental practice group were almost identical to those who physically practiced. Your brain cannot distinguish between physical effort and focused visualization. One last story. A prisoner of war during World War II was locked in a tiny cell for 7 years. To keep his sanity, he played golf in his mind every single day. He visualized every detail: the green grass, the wind on his face, the perfect swing. He played 18 holes every day for 7 years in his head. When he was finally released, he went to a golf course. Despite not touching a club for 7 years, he played the best game of his life. His body was in a cell, but his mind was on the golf course, and his body followed his mind. So, what does this mean for you? If you are working hard but getting nowhere, you are like Group 2 in the piano experiment, just making noise. You must install the software of wealth. Tonight, before you sleep, spend 5 minutes. Close your eyes. Visualize your success. Smell the leather of your new car. Feel the keys to your new house. Feel the joy. Fake it until you become it. Neurons that fire together, wire together. This has been the Abundance Manor. Subscribe to awaken your mind. See you at the top.